The MYNT3D Super Kit is one of those easy-to-love starter bundles that actually feels like a proper art kit rather than a toy. On the product page, Amazon is listing the bundle price at $39 and flags it as an all-in-one option, pen, filament pack and mat kit, which is a brilliant value if you want to start doodling in 3D without buying extras. The Super Pen itself ships with stepless speed control, temperature switch for PLA, ABS, and an ultrasonic sealed nozzle that MYNT3D claims helps prevent clogs. Features that matter if you actually plan to use the pen for longer sessions or on more detailed work. The design pad and free pad included in the kit are a nice touch. They give you tracing and channel templates so your first 3D builds aren't a total mess. On real-world use, the Super is pleasantly ergonomic. It sits lighter in the hand than cheap no-name pens, and the stepless speed slider gives a real sense of control when you're layering filament. Customer-facing details also lean pro. The kit is sold as an Amazon's Choice style bundle, and MYNT3D backs it with a 1-year limited warranty, which gives you some peace of mind if you're buying for a teenager or classroom use. People mention the nozzle longevity and the included mat system as genuine pluses in user photos and comments. Downsides: if you're a precision pro, you'll miss a discrete OLED display and fine-grained temperature readout. The Super uses a screw adjust for temp, and while the ultrasonic nozzle reduces clogs, swapping nozzles and mastering feed speed still takes practice. Anyway, if you're after a well-rounded starter kit that won't break the bank and actually includes useful accessories, this is one I'd recommend. And yes, we share buy links in description box.